Hello guys, how to bet on a company for a long time investing. You know, a lot of investors, what they do is they try to choose the best company, either small or medium, like mid cap, or big company, and they see their future. It means they bet on this company according to information. It means it's not just you go and you find any company that they speak about and just you say, okay, it looks like a good company, and you buy hundreds or thousands of shares and you say, this is my investment for the future. This is a stupid thing to do. Okay? So people, in order to invest, so what they should do is you should see this potential of this company. Is it going to become bigger and bigger? What about the competition, which is the most important thing? Are the competitors more dangerous in terms of, let's say, technology or whatever model these companies have? For example, if you go to retail, you find that some companies, they are very successful in terms of making money. They are so big, but for you there is nothing, because the price doesn't change that much. Okay? And if you are relying, for example, on dividend, you should have a very large money to make a good dividend from these companies. Okay? So that's why a lot of people, they try to choose some either big or medium or small companies that has the potential to become big. Understand, for example, Google, Apple, Amazon, LinkedIn, and other Tesla. We have a lot of stocks. Now, when they are beginning to go up, there is a future. Okay? Some people have bought these stocks where no one wants them. They are scared. So, betting on a company, it means just you have a vision. You should collect some information about the company. It means earnings and debt, and mostly is competition, and you should have an idea, just an idea. Is this company, in your thinking, should it be becoming bigger and bigger, and what are these advantages of this company to become bigger and bigger and bigger? Okay? It's like Amazon. See, Amazon is $1,500 a share, but a lot of years ago, anyone can buy Amazon, but people, they don't buy because they are scared. They don't want to commit on this company. So investing, it's not a time that makes you the money, which is not true. It is if you are right, yes or no. If the company is growing so good and so fast, so your bet is so good. It's a big responsibility to invest in companies. It means you should bet and you should put money and just follow these companies and see what they do in the future. But you should first bet, because there are small companies, no one wants them, okay, when they are small, because they don't believe in them. For example, Apple, when it began with $1 or $2, and they say, what is this computers? What is this thing they make? And the people, they don't even believe in the new technologies. They don't believe. But even Warren Buffett did not believe in Apple, but he bought it lately. You see that even some big investors, if they don't understand something, they get scared. Okay, they get scared because they are putting too much money into a company, and if the company is not going to move, they lose a lot of money. Because betting on a company, it means you are betting on all your money. If you compare investing with swing trading, okay? In swing trading, for example, you buy a stock, you put stop loss. If the stock doesn't work in a few days, you can exit with a minimal loss. But if you buy a company, for example, and you lose 50% or 70% or 80%, so the people, they bet for real and they stay many years in order to see that their investment is going so good. So in the future, try to think deeply before buying any company. Try just to see what is the competition. It means, does this company will make better decisions in the future to conquer all these competitors? Okay? That's why right now, if you, for example, if you think about online sale, what is the idea that you get right now? Everybody, when you say online, you say Amazon. Now, why Amazon? Because it has a model that makes them more money than anyone else. But there are others, other websites that are like Amazon, but they don't succeed doing the same thing because their model is better than the other business's model. And you see, the model is everything. It means they have a model that works and that makes them money. So the only thing they do is just they develop this model into bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And right now, for example, all the retail companies, all of them, any retail that don't do online business, they will lose a lot of business because all the people we are online right now. Okay? We are online. Everything you want, you just go to your smartphone and you check it. Okay? So even right now, most of the young, they use a smartphone for everything. Okay? They don't even use a desktop or a laptop or a tablet or whatever. They use just cell phones because everything, even trading, a lot of people, they go and they find it so easy to trade from their cell phone without having a computer or a laptop or so. So, in order to invest in a company, you should see the vision of this company. And is it good in terms of competition? Has it a model that it is so good compared to the other companies? Okay? And this is how small companies become big companies. It's just because of this vision, because of this model. Now, understand that investing is something that you should wait many years. So it's not just you buy today and tomorrow you will sell because of there is a gap down or gap up. It's not. This is not investing. Investing is you should know about the company a lot of information, and you compare it with other companies' information and try to make a decision. And because in the stock market we have so many companies that you can't count. Okay, it's a lot, and each day we have new companies, either online or in retail, or it means each day. If you go, for example, to IPOs, the new companies that they go to the stock market, each day you find a new IPOs. It means small companies, they come with ideas, And if these ideas succeed after getting the money from the stock market, because stock market helped the companies to have money. When they have money, they begin to make a plan and invest this money in the company. Vision. And who are the guys who make these companies become bigger and bigger? It's us. It's what we call the public. That's why we say a private company and we say a public company. A public company is pushed, is helped by the people. But a private company, it works with its own money. So most of the time, it should be small. It should be small. Okay? That's why most of the companies, they go from private, they go to public. Okay? So there are a lot of things to learn about investing if you are going to be an investor. Another thing I mentioned is that investing is a habit. It means if you want to invest, you should, let's say you have a paycheck, you should each paycheck take some money and invest. Okay? It doesn't mean that you just have $100, $200 and you go put it in your broker account and then you can buy. No, you can wait 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, and you have a lot of money and you buy stocks that you are looking for. So at least you will have a base of the investment, and then you add all your life, and you will see that your account becomes bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. If you succeed only in few companies to get right, it means, let's say you choose 10 companies, 8 are good and 2 are bad. It's okay. Okay? Because you can't have everything right. Because the future of companies, no one knows. But at least try to choose the strongest companies right now that has a vision and that it can improve and become bigger and bigger. If you take right now a loser, you see a company that it is losing a lot of money and all the people are saying bad about it, and you just jump and buy it, and then you see after a few months the stock is going down and down and down. It means it is just you are wasting your time and you are wasting your money. Okay? Understand that investing is a big subject, and I know that you are searching a lot. So just take some of my suggestions and try to compare it with other people's information, and hope you get a decision what to do in the future. Okay? So thank you very much.